Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to deep clean your ChiliPAD cube or cubes in this case. I have here my tools or what I need. Distilled water, hydrogen peroxide, and of course the remote control, we're gonna need it, and some cleaning duster. Safety first, unplug units and unplug, I already unplugged the back right here, the tubes that connect to the ChiliPAD itself. I'm going to just run this real quick because dust probably has been sitting here. It's been 3 months now. First up, we need to empty the unit. We need to fill it with half a cup of hydrogen peroxide, then distilled water all the way. Fill the unit all over again. So we're going to run it on high using the remote control if you want, because it helps you better. High. And for 6 to 8 hours. You want to make sure it has enough water. Always make sure that your ChiliPAD cube is full properly of distilled water. I'm going to keep my eye on it. So 6 to 8 hours on high. I'm going to set my timer. And we're going to do the same with the other cube as well. 6 to 8 hours later, you just need to dump the mixture of distilled water and hydrogen peroxide and then refill your ChiliPAD cube or cubes with clean distilled water and run it normally. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.